Hello everybody, it's Lisa Freeman from stampingwithlisa.com, coming to you Saturday night, August 2nd. It's the beginning of August. Seems like this summer is flying by, but it's all kind of a blur because of this COVID stuff. I'm so over wearing a mask every day. I just hope it is over soon. I feel so bad for the kids that can't go back to school, because here they're not going to have school. It's just going to be virtual. So anyway, I wanted to come today and bring you a new video. This one is showing how to make this really cute card using the Forever Fern stamp set and the Rectangle Postage stamp punch. And I love all these bright colors that I've got going on here. I've got Bermuda Bay, Gorgeous Grape, Pool Party, and Granny Apple Green. So it's a super quick and easy card. You can make a ton of these all at the same time. I did this for a swap recently, and everybody loved it. So let me show you what you need. First, you're going to need the Forever Fern stamp set, which is one of my favorites. And I know I say that about a lot of things, but there are like 3 totally favorites that I have. This is one, and then the Peony stamp set, and what's the other one? Now I'm drawing a blank. Shoot, the sunflower one. So those are probably my 3 favorites in the new catalog. And then this stamp set I used the butterfly from, and this is Butterfly Wishes. So those are the 2 stamp sets that you'll need. And then for paper, you're gonna need 5.5 by 8.5, and this is Highland Heather, and fold it in half. So I've got it folded in half already, scored. 4 by 5 1/4 piece of white, a scrap of white, and this is Bermuda Bay, 1.5 by 2 1/8. So those are the pieces that you'll need. And we're going to start with our white piece. So first thing you're going to do is your Bermuda Bay. Oops, I grabbed the wrong one. Wrong pile. We're getting ready to have a thunderstorm here, so I was going to do this video like way earlier today, and then I got sidetracked, and then I had a friend come over, and then it's like, oh my gosh, I need to hurry up and do this video because the storm's coming, and I'm afraid the power's going to go out again. Seems like every time we get a storm now, the power goes out. All right, so I'm just going to ink this up, and you're going to stamp this in the top. Oops, you know what? I forgot to refresh my Facebook page and see if anybody's watching. I got so carried away. Hang on one sec. Let me just see, make sure it's on here straight too. There we go. Let's see who's on here. Oh, hey Michelle, hey Carol. All right, so we're gonna stamp this right in the top left corner. Uh-oh, I got my volume on. Let me turn that down real quick. Hold on. Okay. All right, so that's the first step. Then you're going to do your words on your scrap of white. And this scrap's a lot bigger than I need, but that's okay. So just stamp that. And just set that aside. All right, so that's all you need with the Bermuda Bay. Then we're going to go to the purple. So let's do Gorgeous Grape. And I'm going to do the butterfly first. And we're going to do that right here at the bottom left. Right there. And you can do it like on the inside of your card. And I didn't do the inside today, but if you want to do the inside of your card or your envelope or something like that, you can too. All right, I'm going to ink up the leaf. And I'm going to put that in the top right corner. Let's make sure I get my sides right. This is right. This is left. You know that thing where you go like this. If you're, you know, that's your left. This is your right. You know, when you're a kid, you do that. I didn't mean to ink that up again. So I'm going to stamp it off. So I wanted that lighter down here. So do 1 full strength and then 1 second generation right here. All right. So that's all we need with the purple. See how easy this is? We're halfway done already. All right, next we're going to do Granny Apple. So we're just going to do the leaf and some little speckles with that one. And this one, since you've got the words, they're going to go here, right here, You don't want to put it too close. I'm kind of doing everything like connected to this as my center point. So I don't want to put it too close because then it's going to be covered up by this. So I want to put it out here a little bit. And then I'm going to do another one down here. So we've got that. So kind of just making a little circle here for that. Then I'm going to do my little speckles. And with speckles, whenever you have these little speckly things, you want to make sure you do a really light touch. You don't want to go like this all over something because then it's going to look like a mess. So you just barely want to touch, and I usually stamp it off, just barely touch your paper and it'll give you a little bit of speckles. So you might not even be able to see it from there. I'll put it up closer so you can see it. So it's just got a real subtle look on there. You don't want that smash of it on there. So that's all we need with the green. Got one more color. Let me put these ink pads away. All right, last is our pool party. And we're gonna put this a couple times. So I'm gonna do one here, one here, and then let's see, one here, and let's do one right here. All right, so we put that on there a few times. All right, and then we're just gonna put it together. So wasn't that super quick and easy? All right, so to put it together, we're gonna punch our words. And this is the new Rectangle Postage punch. And you just put it in there upside down so you can see it. And then punch it out. And that's what it looks like on the front. And then that's going to get glued down to this piece. Let me get my little Tombow glue here. Oh, hey, Debbie. Oops, not coming out. All right, stick that down. Oops, it's upside down. Let's just turn around. There we go. All right, and then we're gonna glue these two together. This Tombow is almost empty. All right, sounds like that thunderstorm is going away now. I can't hear the thunder anymore. It was getting really dark and it was thundering and I'm like, oh, here we go again. Last night we had a huge storm that lasted for like 3 or 4 hours and went on and on. And we got a lot of rain, which we needed. And I have new neighbors moving in next door and I saw them out there and I was like, I hope it doesn't rain on them because they're unloading their moving van right now. All right, we're putting a couple dimensionals on there. And then that's gonna go right here. And then we want to add some bling. So see how we've got some bling on this? So I've got some sequins and I've got also one of the gems. So the sequins are from that artistic something. I can't remember what it's called. They're artistic gems. And I always forget that picker-upper tool. So we're going to stick one there and then I'm going to do, oh, I just heard the thunder again. Oops, I got two. Let's put one here and one down here. All right, then I want one thing to go right here, but I didn't want to use any more sequins. I'm going to use one of these gems, and what I did, this is the Elegant Faceted Gems, and it comes in the clear, the petal pink, and the white, and I like to color the white ones and the clear ones. So I just took the Bermuda Bay. This is the dark one. And I always use the pointy tip to when I color these because I don't want to mess up my brush tip. So let me show you what I did. I just took it and colored it. And since it's an alcohol marker, oops, I got a little bit on that one. It's not going to come off. Like if you used a regular marker, it would just wipe right off. There's my glue. All right, and then I'm just going to get my scissors. That'll make it easier. All right, so we're gonna get one of these and just put it right here. And of course, you know what I have to do. I forgot my little tray, but we're gonna have to spray it with some shimmer to give it some dazzle, razzle dazzle. All right, so what do you guys think of that? Oh, hey, Deborah. You like it? Give me a thumbs up or smiley face if you like it. I know I didn't tell anybody I was doing a Facebook Live tonight, so I'm surprised even anybody's watching. You guys must be having an exciting Saturday night like I am. Thanks, Michelle. All right. So I just wanted to show you that real quick. It's just an easy card that you can make a ton of, and you can put anything you want there. But I love that saying to a friend that makes me smile, because I have so many friends that make me smile. So this is a great card to send to them. All right, well, you guys enjoy the rest of your night. Hopefully you're not having this storm at your house. And enjoy the rest of your weekend. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.